In the 1960s, the green belt around Antwerp was fertile ground for architectural experimentation. Several remarkable villas were built throughout this wooded area. Beli House, located in Kalmthout, builds on the legacy of one of those villas. When Belgian firm Studio Okami was entrusted with the design, the initial plan was to renovate the original house. However, a thorough analysis revealed that it was no longer suitable for a contemporary home capable of accommodating a larger family and remote work needs. As a result, the studio decided to rebuild a new energy-efficient house while preserving the original architectural qualities. A kind of resto mod, an evolution in spirit, a tribute to 1960s design. At first glance, the architecture appears to be that of a single-story home. The upper floor is wrapped in mirrored aluminum panels and disappears into the landscape by reflecting the surrounding forest. Once noticed, this detail stands out as the most striking element of the façade. The mirror cladding is the only potentially controversial element within an otherwise well-considered material palette. The marble wall next to the entrance door serves as a visual focal point and adds a sense of grandeur. Interior and exterior spaces are defined by seemingly random concrete walls. Their varying heights and orientations serve multiple purposes: structure, privacy, chimney, solar protection, windbreak, storage, garden wall, among others. The walnut kitchen design brings a warm and inviting tone to the space. With cabinetry made of walnut wood, the kitchen gains natural beauty and a comforting atmosphere. The rich, dark tone of the walnut pairs well with various materials and colors. The floor-to-ceiling cabinets offer generous storage, while the natural texture of the wood adds depth and character to the room. Designed to adapt to evolving contemporary needs, the ground floor, with its open plan, is built with the future in mind. Except for the main suite and kitchen, the rest of the floor functions as a loft-like space housing a home office, living room, dining area, and storage. The open layout allows the configuration to be easily adapted over time. The most noise-sensitive spaces are located at the edges of the house, but remain integrated into the daily flow of the home. The children's bedrooms are placed on the upper floor, a mirrored box that disappears into the forest, camouflaging the second level and creating the illusion of a more elongated, bungalow-like structure. Although it may seem like a risk for bird collisions, Studio Okami assures that condensation running in vertical stripes helps prevent such incidents. In the Belgian climate, the panels remain non-reflective for most of the day due to condensation. They also argue that mirrored surfaces are far less prone to bird impacts than glass facades. Beli House horizontal feel is enhanced by floor-to-ceiling sliding doors and continuous concrete flooring that flows from the interior to the outdoor terraces. The visual interplay between garden, concrete, glass, and mirrored reflections gives the house a timeless appearance, a true homage to the strength of the original design.